up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some of G's right now me there, and as you can see, well, this is going to be a different type of vlog. Well, I won't even call it a vlog because this is going to be like a story time. So right now I'm going to tell you a story. So I even go title it as a vlog, or I even want to consider it as a vlog. It's just basically a story time. This, kids, first of all, let me say, do not do drugs. Do not buy drugs and do not sell drugs. Jesus. Kids. Alright. Boom. This happened a couple years ago. This was my first time in Florida. It was me, Nice, Pink, and Trabas. Me, Nice, Pink, and well, it was the whole of our first time in Florida officially together in Florida. Because Trabas, they don't live in Florida already. Nice used to travel back and forth from Florida, back and forth from Florida. Nice always visit Florida. It was my first time actually for the Florida. So it was just like any other playing day. It was just a regular day. We get up, we do a couple videos. They did actually do like 3 videos for Instagram. Drop them up on Instagram and man him say, yo, Chris, that at the barber we always come over, come give me my haircut. Chris have a shop in Miami, so we say, yo, we are going to Miami, go get a haircut. Reach Miami, everybody get them haircut. My waves, them a say, Pink get him haircut. That time Pink, they have a little patch right there, so you know what I mean? Piece of pink here, they cut out right there, so Chris spraying it and spraying it, so it look like him have hairline now. He do the same thing to Nice, a nice beard connect. Trabas, everybody look good. We hot. So we are say right now is just, we need somewhere to go where everybody are going to see the whole away. Everybody are going to see the team and say, yo, look my man, them clean. Haircut sharp and all that. Yep, yo, we're ready for braff before braffing come out. Alright, continue the story. We left barber shop now. It was, I get done in the evening time. You know what I mean? Everybody don't know say Trabas smoke, so Trabas have some brain food for go pick up. We just have to call it brain food. So Trabas have some brain food for go pick up. We say, alright, boom. Make the run, yeah. That time hungry I kill me, no, cause from that barber shop, my belly I make be nice. Be nice. The man a trim me. And you know the share loud. And my belly I make loud and nice than the share. And my belly just like, it's like a competition in the barber shop. So I say me hungry, me need to get food. The man him say, alright, them I pick up a brain food first and then we'll get food. Me say, you know, me I go try the brain food something, yeah. Me go try it, me go see what go on, yo, cause me scared, you know. First me in the car and pick up a brain food now. So we are drive, Trabas a drive, alright, Trabas a drive, Nice in the passenger seat, front passenger seat, me and Pink in the back seat. Drive, we are drive now, don't pick up a brain food. Trabas get to Nice, so we just a cruise, rain a fall, rain actually did a fall, and we are cruise, we are going to pick up the food now, because we say, alright, get the brain food, now it's time to go pick up the food. Trabas say him know a spot to sell some bad swim around, so we say, alright, you don't have to tell me twice, because me done hungry already, so I say, alright, anywhere we are go, I this so. Boom, we are drive, go there, all of a sudden Trabas start drive fast. So me in the back of me are looking at, but Trabas can drive, but he might drive fast. Nothing there in front, nothing there back of us, so it's alright, do your thing. He might drive fast, and it's like, out of nowhere, me the man say, only not afraid me crash. You only not tell me slow down. Police. Him say it quick, just like that. Only not afraid me crash. Only not tell me slow down. Shit, police. Nice, hide the weed. But true, him say it so calmly and just everything right after each other. I think a joke him a make. When me a whoop whoop, police the back away, nice of the weed, a big bag of weed in the hand. So me Jesus. Me in the back now, me I say, look there, me come afraid that me gone. Me gone a jail. Prison. Me gone a prison for weed. And that mean I back I say, you know, when me the lightning flash and look around and see light, me I say, Jesus Christ. Look how me come afraid I can get locked up. Me say me fret, me a fret, me a back, me a fret. Cold sweater lick me now, you know. Me a Chaba say, yo, nice, I do it, dash out the weed. Nice, I try find the button for the window, for walk me the window, for dash out the weed. All me a hear up. Nice, can't find the stuff for put on it. So Chaba say, hide the weed. Nice, hide the weed now. Chaba's pull over in our parking lot, so we are say, alright, we good car. Nice, done stash off the brain food, so them if they search, them probably not find nothing, car. Nice, him couldn't dash it through the window, car. Him panic. Him couldn't find the button for wind on the window, so him end up hiding in the car, alright? Policeman pull up to it. The man say, you know, so with that speed and this and that. Chaba say, you know, yeah, but you just, I try go home and all of them something there. The man smelly weed, you know, the man goes so. Like you see man smelly weed and he shining in flashlight. Him there so, one day round to my side. Him there to me. Cause me at the back seat, him there to me. And one a shine the light in the Chaba's face and I talk to Chaba's. The man say, anybody that smoking in a car? Chaba say, yeah, me this morning. But I guess it's St. Linger. The man say, alright. So there's no weed in the car. Chaba say, no. So the man say, alright now. This is how it go. Me smell weed. So me I go make it. Wall I wanna step out of the car. And if me search the car and find weed, you wall I wanna go to jail. So me I go ask you one more time. Is there any weed in the car? Chaba said, no, sir. Nice in the front, rotted. Nice in the front. All me I hear, me in the back seat, and me I hear nice lip on. Yo, Chaba, tell him man, so weed is in the door. Yo, nice in the front seat, nice lip on. Yo, Chaba, tell him man, so we are weed in the door. The policeman I hear everything, and I'm like, Jesus Christ, we gone now. We definitely gone to jail now. Alright, Pink in the back, Pink now say nothing, you know, Pink, quiet, you know, Pink. Pink in the Pink, just a look and the man I look like him a shine film light for me in the back seat now, me I look, you know, that time me I try to play it cool, you know, that time me I sweat, you know, because me say we gone to jail now. The man don't say if he search and find weed, we gone to jail. And we have weed in the car. So me know me gone to jail, I'm like, Jesus Christ. How this happened to me? Why this happened to me? Alright now. The man said, Chaba step on, yo, nice, tough you nice, no, my youth. And nice step on, yo, you man, tell you man, no, Chaba. And Chaba step on, yo, nice, tough you nice. And the policeman, I look down on the two of them and they're like, you don't know me can hear you, right? But the policeman said that, you know, say, policeman say, alright, the whole lot come out. Everybody come out, searching, dig up the whole lot, we dig up this search, this and that, take out this, take out that. Alright. So in my question, we know we run the car box, sit down. While I was lying off, so that time I even have on my boat. Me do the barefoot. Me even have on my boat. I would just did a bill and I don't know why, but after I come out of the car, I never did too feel so nervous. Me did still want to shit up myself, you know, but I never so nervous. And the man indeed I talk to and when our next car pull up. By them time, you know, 3 police cars up on the scene. One black youth, and the black youth I say, yo, we do video. We I say, yes. See, we get out of jail car there. Him I get we out of jail today. Because him recognize we. He must say, yo, Chaba say, yo, brother, you can't do something for we. Me I say, alright, yeah, right question. Chaba say, right, ask the right question. You know. Chaba say, yo, brother, you can't do something for we. Man I say, yo, boy. You know, so no film stop, so you can't really do nothing and talk. Yeah, so when you say that, me say, see, there we gone. We gone now, we gone. Because the only black man, when know we, oh, it's a black police, you know, the only black policeman they know we say, and no film stop, so you can't do nothing for we. Me start fret more. Now the man say, alright, boom, the man, him, 2 of them in the car search, and them dig up and them find whole heap of camera. Cause remember me telling them what I shoot the day. Them find the camera in my laptop. They ask what we do. We tell them so we do videos for YouTube and all of them something there. So we did it. One of the next policeman come around to me and he must say, yo, like he must say, we don't even care. We just sit down here so just spread out so like nothing happen. But me I say, what the brother you talk about? A speeding ticket, he must have thought about car at the time, yeah, the man a search, and him a search, and him just stop search and consider to it. Because we just around there sit down and chat to each other, you know, and the man a say, yo, no look like we don't even care, so no do nothing wrong. So me I say, alright, it's a speeding ticket, he must think can really give you a ticket or something like that. Out of nowhere to rotted, the man go over, the police when they talk to Chavas, he come around now and go over to nice car door. Because the police when they did it with me, he must search the back, you know. And the police when they talk to Chavas, he must search the front. But he come around to the passenger side now for search. You see when the man walk me door like this? As the man walk me door, me see the man put his hand in the you know, right at the top of the car door. You had to drop something like change or anything right in the angle. And this one I side the weed. People, when you hear what I say, as you open the car, you right in the car door on top there, so, and right there, so nice hide the bag of weed. Remember, you know, him could have put in a glove compartment, he could have hide it up on a seat, he could have hide it pan him. Nice, just put on your weed so in a car window. Right eye window there, so nice, just put on your weed so. You see when the man open the door and look so, the man even look. The man just open the door and just take up your weed and say, this is illegal. Then time me start shit, no. Me don't start shit already. Cause me I said, the man just promised we say, just be honest with him. The man said, just be honest with me. If me find weed, you hold on no go to jail. And see, they find him. He find him. So we don't must go to jail. This man here look like he's a man of his word. So the man don't tell me all of that. Me run my back now, me not comfortable no more. No more, me not comfortable no more. Me I think about say, shit, you know, me don't even know none of my people in number out of my head. When me get me one phone call, who me I go call? Would I normally call Chabas? I would I call Pink or would I call Nice? Now all we down here now, who me I go call? Remember, you know, me no know nobody phone number out of my head. Me I say, who me I go use more one phone call? Me I say no, me I say, alright, if any man get bail before me, then probably can call my people them or then come back and bail me out. That's so me I think, you know. The policeman call Chabas and say, get up, come here. Who for this? Chabas says, mine, sir. So as he said that, the policeman I say, oh, okay, you're honest. Honest boy, because normally people that hide, people that lie and say no feed them or this and that. But as you ask Chabas are my own. Big bag of weed, you know, Chabas are my own. So policeman say, alright, come here and talk to you, sir. That time I still sit down there shit up myself. Me a crack some poop. Me no know if nobody a smell them because gas take me up. Gas a lick me down. Me a say, yo, me hungry. Me can't go to jail for a hungry belly. One night time me a say, if me get locked up, me probably can tell him and say, sir, please, me stop and buy one food. So, cause me know jail food no taste good, jail food no look good. Me no want to go to jail hungry. Please. And that me a say, me a go ask him, please, just me could stop at Dutch Pot or stop out at Donald's and buy one liquor, one small food. Me not have to buy nothing big. Me can buy one $5 mini. Either fried chicken or oxtail gravy or something. All of them that go through my mind, you know, come here and say me gone to jail now. Prison me end up for weed. Prison, come here transport weed. Prison me gone for hungry belly. I would just get to haircut, come here and say, yo, me in a jail look good now, you know. Fresh haircut. No, sir. You can't go to prison when you just get a haircut. No. Can't go to prison when you just get a haircut. But at the hungry belly, me focus on the hungry belly, me and say, yo, dad, me got dead at jail. Me can't survive one night at jail. If hunger no kill me, somebody a go try look me and then me a go say, yo, me no want nobody and then them a go murder me. Yo, me mind just the everywhere. Till the policeman say, alright, listen, this is how it a go. Throw out the weed and we just make it go on. Only just go on about in the business. Have a good day. Just empty out the weed on the sidewalk. Then time them me I say yes. God answer prayer. Me I say God do answer prayer. Cause me dead me I fret, me I pray, me I say God. Me can't come further from God jail still, you know. And you know what the craziest thing? Pink have a flight. The next day, Pink have a flight. Pink if you fly out the next day. Pink depend to policeman. Sir, I have a flight tomorrow. The policeman like, where you tell me that for? You shouldn't have no weed in a car if you have a flight tomorrow. Pink have police card. Where when police pull you over, you normally give them the card and they say, go on about your business. Pink have one of them, the Pink goes up. Whoa man, pop out him, get out of jail card. The policeman said, oh, that's for New York. That don't work here. See Pink, yeah, what? Yo, dog, that time, nice sit down there, nice now, say no, you know, nice, just see nice fully and you look like. Nice just sit down with fully and a stare, and everybody look like nice. I really in a car door, they say, I hide the weed. Look how the car big. And you hide the weed in a car door, they so. Police say, yo, dash the weed. Chaba say, no, throw away the weed. Policeman say, we go about our business. We in a car now, we are laugh about it, we are joke about it. We are say, alright, thank God we get where we made it. Out and now with this brother Chabas boy my turn back go pick up in weed. People, I swear to you, me look at him and me say, yo, you see if you go back over this and then see him police there, because there is no way the man might tell you, empty out the weed over here, sir, and over there, wait for you for forward back feed. Because they know people are go forward back feed. This guy Chabas about him and go back feed weed. Me say, I swear to you, if you bring me out there, me go tell you, say, I kidnap you, kidnap me. Because me can't just get away. Just like that, me get away now. Then find weed pan way, and we get away. So imagine me I go back, but me I go pick up back weed. Me tell him, say, no, if you go back out there, and this a policeman out there weed pan way, me I tell him, say, you kidnap me. So you not go jail only for weed, you go jail for kidnapping. Because me not go jail tonight. Me just almost go jail, and me get away. And now you want bring me back, boy, you go for weed? You must say mad, I be a thing me start chatting at the car there till you say alright. I be a thing we start chatting at the car there. You mad go back with me? You must say frost, man. You must say frost. My guardian angel can't help me out so. And me just throw it away. But me I go back for weed. You must say mad. From that day, never again. Never again. Me learn my lesson. Never again. Moral of the story is, do not give nice the weed for hide when if a time for hide the weed. Nice, they almost send we go jail, dog. Nice, we say nice, dash the weed. See that? Can't find the thing where for wine on your window. How? Nice panic. Nice turn idiot you see siren. Dash the weed in the right at the door right here. There's a nice put the weed and hide it. And me say me not afraid to because nice don't hide the weed. When me look at him and say this is illegal, I'm like jail. Me gone. Me gone. Yeah man, me swear think you gone with me. But that was a crazy story. Looking back now, we can look back funny and laugh, but kids do not do drugs, do not buy drugs and do not sell drugs. That was crazy. That was an experience. That was a very, very crazy experience. Well, that me have to tell you now. Big up me G's them, yeah. See, it's not a vlog, it's just a story time. It's just a nice little story time. Yo, me have a whole heap more story to tell you, you know. Enough story. Yo, me I start do this. Me I start telling you some story. Me I start telling you, yo, me have be a story for tell. Me never tell you say me shit up myself at Jamaica when me used to go to school. Rotted. That's for your next vlog. Yo, big up me G's them.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.